Hello guys, you're watching Droid Crunch and I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we're going to talk about dynamic cookie of dynamic content Elementor plugin. So if you haven't downloaded this plugin, you can check out the link in the description and get this plugin right away. So before we begin, let me just show you the quick introduction of this plugin. So once installed, you can find this menu dynamic content. So make sure dynamic cookie is activated. So you have to just keep this activated and save widgets. You can do this for any of these widgets and extensions. This can help you load the Elementor faster. So whatever the widgets you are not using, you can just disable them from right here in the features. So let's begin. Here I have my testing page. I have opened up the editor and let me just show you the widget. Here it is, dynamic cookie. So I have dragged and dropped it here, and here's some settings. Mode is set and it can be unset. So you can make it unset, and whatever the name you write here, you can write here and then it will be unset. First let me show you how to set the cookie. So let's say I name it old user. So I have to remember that the user is old, so I use the value exists. Okay, and cookie expiration date to be 10 days. By default it is 10 days, 30 days, so you can choose any days and you can make it either days, minutes or anything as well. I will keep it to 30 days by default and then update, and I can preview the changes to show you if my cookie is there. And here you can see old user and its content exists. So now how you can make use of this cookie, let me show you quickly. Let's create a new section right here, and here I drag and drop a heading just to show you. The pricing is 30. Okay, and I just give my section some height. Better. So now I give it a little color. I keep it white. Okay, I make condition, its visibility condition, that for the cookie you need to use context. I make a condition that if my parameter named old user, what is the parameter type? It's a cookie. What it contains, you can also use valued or unvalued, or you can choose the exact value that it contains exists. Okay, then it will be shown, but it will be visible show when the cookie is set and its value under old user is exists. So we have set it a condition that this section will be shown when the cookie is set, and let's create another section. And let's say if the user is new user, we don't want to give them much discount and keep the price 20 for sale. Let's just dummy sections, and I added this part. I just need to make it hide, right? So if the user is not old, it will this section will be hidden, right? Now let me see this. Okay, our cookie is set, so the user is old and the pricing is 30. So we had to reverse this pricing. For example, we just make it 40. So if the new user is there, the price will be 40, otherwise it will be 30. So this is how all works. So you can set the cookie on your home page probably, and then in the pricing page you can use the visibility to dynamically make your sections appear. So this can help you better, show the content to your old or new visitors or anything, so you can make use of cookies this way. And you can also unset the cookie. All you have to do is just let's say this cookie is set already, right? It's set, and cookies you can see old user is exist. So what I can do, I just need to click on this cookie section and click here, and I make it unset. Cookie name is old user. I update this, and voila, here you can see now my cookie is unset, and this section is appear because I am new user right now, and the cookie doesn't know if I am an old user. Okay, it's deleted. Wonderful. So this is how you can set cookies and make your sections appear based on the value of the cookies, and unset the cookies and use number of elements, number of days for which the cookie will be set. They are all settings and all are dynamic. You can use ACF for anything to put the value inside this widget. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new video, and check out the link in description so you get this plugin right away. And also please support our page that we have made on Facebook. Here it is, that's for Elementor ACF and WordPress users. You can join this group. I will leave the links in the description so you can join this group right away. And we also have a Telegram group, so you can join that too. So we are connected and you can ask your queries right there. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.